Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can record in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, Bandlab is a online recording software which is used to record audio, generate audio such as MIDI tracks or virtual instruments, and things like that, and it is very useful if you plan on making music or making any audio of the sort. Now, as I mentioned, it is an audio recording software, so you cannot record or edit videos in the software, but you can insert videos as a file. As you can see here, you can insert a video file very easily. However, that will only give you the option to modify the audio of that video file. But that is pretty much what this app does. Pretty much the only way to edit a video is to, of course, drag it in here or click here and select it and edit the track, or you can just record your own audio by either using any of these tools such as virtual instruments, drum machines. I'm going to use voice as an example. Press the record button, wait for the countdown, and then you'll start recording your voice, and then you can either stop recording and that will continue playing, or you can just press stop. In general, make sure your microphone is selected here. It's under the auto pitch sort of tab. And once you've recorded this, you can edit it however you want. If I go into the editor, I can make it louder since my microphone is a bit quiet in Bandlab for some reason. But once you do that, then you can use any other editing software for videos to insert this audio into your video. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.